teachers, parents, my fellow completers, schoolmates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. On behalf of the completers, this school year 2024-2025, I would like to thank you all for coming here today to celebrate this memorable event. School days in the kindergarten were very exciting and challenging at the same time. It is very exciting to see our teachers and schoolmates every day. We are also excited of the new games, songs, and dances. They are all fun. However, going to school in the morning is a bit challenging because we have to wake up early even though we are still sleepy. But thank you dear God because we are able to do it. Now, we're going to move forward to the next level of elementary education. On this occasion, I represent all the completers express our gratitude. I would like to say thank you to my teachers, Teacher Marilyn, Teacher Jenny, and Teacher Rose for your love and hard work to educate us. I would like to say thank you to my parents, mommy and daddy, and to my whole family for so much love and support. And most importantly, I would like to say thank you to my classmates for company and friendship. And most importantly, I'd like to say thank you to our dear God for giving me wisdom and strength. I hope we shall have a more wonderful school year ahead. Thank you very much and God bless us all.